Hey, just here at the Vancouver airport this morning, heading down to spend time with a group of CEOs with the growth faculty. They're going to spend 2 days with Jim in his lab, Jim Collins, that is. In the newsletter this week, there's an amazing case study on one of the CEOs that we work with, Amish, from a company called Krest. And he first came to us, he was part of a CEO group, and they were talking about some challenges he was having. And someone recommended and asked, do you have a coach? And one of the CEOs in the group was one of the ones we've worked with for probably a decade. And they connected us, and so I had a conversation with Amish, and we kind of got him going on thinking and really clarifying what he wanted and how he wanted to make his company better. And as it got in, he hadn't had a coach before, and we dig into it. And in a case study, you're going to read about his experience. And we did work about clarifying where he wanted to go and his own personal master plan, and then what his business needed. It turned out that there was a fair number of senior leadership changes that were required as the business has been around for a time. And then one of our advisors, Lance, got involved and started working with them on our strategic planning because they had a lot of things they wanted to do, and they had a plan that had a lot of things, and it was really hard for them to execute. So Lance went in and streamlined the strategic planning process while we worked on strengthening the executive and leadership team, and they got some pretty good results, which you can read about in a case. So great example. Misha's a great CEO. I'm actually going to see him later today. But anyways, hope you enjoy it. Take a read when you have a chance.